Hey team, it's Rick. We're here for another hip pocket training where we train to a standard. We are raw, uncut, instructor-driven, lender-powered. So today, we're going to talk about one of our ethos within our organization, and it is called the care factor. We have three components of our ethos, and that is the care factor, strategy, and life plan. And if we don't have those three things when we're working with you, if we don't help you develop those three things, we're missing something here. Something that should be there is not there. So let's explore what we need to do to find out why we're short on one of these areas. So today, care factor. You know what I always say? You cannot fake it. You cannot fake care. It is the late night phone calls. It is the consultations on the weekend. It is the let me make sure that you go to sleep with the right peace of mind in order to go to work tomorrow and earn, because we need you to earn, but be in a good headspace. How many times do we know a situation that occurs, and we hope it doesn't happen, but how many times have we seen that where somebody goes to work and their mind is set somewhere else, whether it's relationship, financial, and then something happens because their brain is preoccupied? Not in this house, not at this headquarters. We want to make sure, and we put out there to all of our clients, that if you're tossing and turning at night and you can't sleep, you better give us a call. You better let us know that while we're in this transaction to buy this home, why are we feeling like we have cold feet? Why are we feeling like we're not ready for this? If we reach that kind of feeling, then that is our fault. We did not help you prepare properly. And I will wear that. But of course, you're going to tell me that, well, you see, I talked to my friend or I talked to my parents and they were telling me these things and now I'm getting nervous. Let me just air it out first and foremost, that we will do everything we can to prepare your mind and prepare you financially, economically, family, you name it, to be confident in your home buying capability. Now, we just have to find the right place with the right teammates, our realtors, and get you positioned to make an offer and get into that home. So, yes, you will get cold feet. You will feel like this is a bit nerve-wracking and it's something you've never explored before. So I always tell everybody that a lot of big things happen in your life, and I would say there's three. And there's more than that, but I like to say three. One is having a baby, right? One is marriage, and the other one is buying a home, right? I can't help you get married, and I can't help you have a baby, but I can help you get into a home purchase. And these things are, in fact, life-changing. So the care factor must be felt. If you do not feel like your realtor is giving you care, we have a problem. This should be something that's natural. This should be something that a professional does not have to feel. If you have a lender and you're having that feeling like you're just a paycheck, you need to come to this headquarters. You need to come talk to us. If you're getting that feeling from your lender like he's not showing you everything you need to see, if they're not sitting down and showing you your qualification, showing you your capability, showing you how much you can potentially cash flow on the future, showing how much you can earn from this home in the future in order to use it towards something else, then you need to come talk to our headquarters. When you sit down with our home buying consultation, take a look at our link or on our website for exactly how we conduct our consultations. It's all there. But you walk away with a copy of it. And as I always say, if you're talking to somebody in a consultation and you're staring at your own wall or back of a computer monitor, then you need to walk away. You need to hang up the phone. You need to come talk to our headquarters and we will make the time to figure out how to get you in front of a screen or in person and talk to you. And even if you're my neighbor, I'm going to say, you're going to want to meet us on a screen. You're going to want to put us on the biggest screen you have so you can see all the information we have to give you. I want you comfortable for when we're about to show you and showcase you, showcase your capabilities, analyze and compare all of your data together, mash it together, debt, credit, income, assets, show you this result. And then we can say, is it smart to buy a home? Let's sprinkle in the rest of the information. Let's sprinkle in other people that also believe that it's true and why they believe it's true. Let's sprinkle in this entire library that's here to help you build your confidence and to make sure you understand that this isn't just a person telling you this. This is stats. This is compounding equity. This is home appreciation, right? This is the interest rate market. That's what we will be exploring. That's what we will show you. And that will give you the confidence to understand, yes, it is smart to buy a home. And anybody who's buying a home in the market where there's not a lot of buyers and you're standing there being the only offer on a home that has a reduced value because it's not worth less, it's just that there's no buyers. right? Because people are scared. You can skip right into that property, possibly even get seller's credit, a lower price and no competition. I'm telling you, any one of those three I just mentioned in any market, you're winning. Can we position you this way? Absolutely. Can we position you even in a thick market where the best thing you've got going for you is the interest rate? Can we position you against other people and make you stronger? This headquarters can. So talk to us. We'll catch up with you on the next video. Take care.